Hello, my friends. How are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself, Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So, guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce template, totally free and fully responsive. And guys, you can also use this template in your Angular, React and WooCommerce and Next.js projects as well. So, friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So, guys, here we go. So, we see the beautiful e-commerce template look. See the top section, just beautiful. Currency and the languages, the beautiful section. See the beautiful search, like advanced search, the user pop-up, login form, registration form as well. Beautiful mini cart, see friends, beautiful mini cart as well. Just brilliant. And here we go, the template looks, you got main header image, it's a carousel, just brilliant. And the beautiful search, tagline, see the macro text, show by categories, it's a carousel as well, see friends, just brilliant. Bestseller, see quick view, just brilliant. See the beautiful hover effect. See guys, how image changes as well. Shop the look, you guys, yes, brilliant as well. Equivalent and scroll top as well. See the animation, see guys. Here's the scroll top button animation. See border, and there we go. Happy clients as well. Our clients shopgram. See friends, yes, brilliant. You will like it as well. I'm sure about this. South Seas and the beautiful footer section as well. Scroll to top and I will show you its responsiveness. So guys, always it's full responsive as well. Will work for all the devices. Toggle menu as well. See friends, just brilliant. And let me show you other things as well. iPad mini works well. iPad Air, full charm, just brilliant. So guys, have you seen just brilliant e-commerce developer for you? So friends, it's free and like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. Friends, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. Thereispost.com, here's contact and enterprise page. You will get here the email, my Skype, my WhatsApp number as well. Feel free to contact me anytime. So, guys, in the end, I must say I must share the course snippet link inside this video description as well. And guys, please subscribe my channel and support me. In the end, I will say I will come with more free templates for you as well. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.